So I swear I had it. I was so gonna jump in. You don't know what I'm talking about, man. Yeah. The name is Naked Eye. I will say it over and over again. It's a sort of marketing technique that I use, you know what I'm saying? My name is Naked Eye. You will not forget that, now. You will not forget, now. What's my name? Naked Eye. I'm kidding. Check it. He wants money and he gets it every way he can. I'm keeping tabs on him, Googling his daily plans. He don't do it for you in the way that he aims his rants. Building a jacket plan, bulldozing my favorite plant. I'm guilty of it too, shit. I'm trying to make my ends, but at least I know that it's wrong, so I take a stand. This is the peace offering, trying to make amends. I'm not a prophet of doom sent to relate the end. Here to tell you that he wants murder, but no retribution. He hates thinkers, cause he doesn't want solutions. He wants you to die young and you're contributing to using, boozing, AIDS and prostitution. The man is lost and your parents are not excluded. Please open your eyes to what the truth is. Pretty cool, that's what this at school is. It's the system to tunnel your thoughts and make it stupid. What this man wants, he wants it all but a better view. He plainly confused and he can't front. Now we see the mother nature's on the man.